how to reactivate AOL mail account. So let's get started. Now, in case you have deleted your AOL mail account and if you would like to recover it again, you will only be able to do that if you are in your waiting period. If you have crossed the waiting period and if your account is already deleted, you won't be able to recover your account. So if you are on your waiting period, all you have to do is log in back to your AOL mail with your login credential. So let's go ahead and log into our AOL mail account. Open up any web browser in your device and then in the search bar, search for AOL mail. Now head over to the first link that says mail.aol.com. After that, you will be taken to sign-in portal. So first of all, you have to enter your username, email or mobile associated with your AOL mail account that you would like to recover. After that, click on next. Now you have to verify that you are not a robot and then click on continue. Now, if your email address is linked to AOL mail, you will receive a verification code in your Gmail. So go back to Gmail and check for 6-digit verification code. After you get in the code, type in the code right here and then click on this next button. Once you're verified, after that you might be asked to type in or create a new password to recover your account. Create a new password and then log in with that password. And then you'll be directly logged into AOL mail and your account will be recovered or activated. So that's how you can activate your AOL mail account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and like, and thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.